Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Micron, Intel, and we might visit S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 as well. So let's start off with Tesla. Well, today, again, a good rebound day, and not a surprise, as I did a video in the morning as well, that Tesla intraday today also has a room to continue up higher. And in the morning, I gave you a level of 348. I mentioned that even if we come down until then, that will just be a pullback, and that would be its structure will still remain bullish. And you can see precisely at right at that level, which my tools all marks automatically for you, and we just rebounded like there is no tomorrow. Guys, we are bullish. We are just bullish just fine. Hourly interval structure here on my another tool as well is bullish. You can see precisely my tools give you the bottom, and you are already making good money. And not just that, let's take a look at the 5 minutes interval as well. 5 minutes interval for specifically the day trading for that very day, and we had a good run up, then we slowed down, came down, found support at our cloud, and continued higher up again eventually when things turned full on bullish. So anyways, if you need access to my tools, check out the links in the description of this video. And also not just 45 plus stocks coverage, because I gotta update this screen over here because they are now 50 plus stocks coverage, 50 plus stocks coverage, 50. Can you imagine that? All right. Now, so well, Tesla is just intraday still very strong, still just fine. And let's get to the hourly interval. What can we expect from Tesla tomorrow? Well, so here's the thing. Yes, intraday we are still bullish, and we can still look the bullish plays on this, as I just showed you here as well. Structure turned bullish here, I just showed you on my tools, right? I can show you real quick again. And you can see we turned bullish here, and really good strong moves we have been getting. 4 hours interval is better for much more direction and extra confirmation. I'm not gonna go there. You have the tools, use them, and you know what I'm talking about. Now, well, so here we are. Tomorrow, yes, $348 level is still the level. As we stay above it, we are still in the higher highs, higher lows, and still in the bullish intraday structure at least. We stay above 348, look for the pullbacks if they come to, as long as we're above that. For a bullish strength, you will have to combine that with using my easy day and swing trading tool on 5 minutes, just as I showed you where the cloud is, where the structure is turning green and bullish and all that good stuff, right? So yes, that's Tesla for tomorrow. All right, that's all what you need to know for tomorrow, and then we'll see how this week closes. And then we'll make our opinion in the overall structure. Right now, I'll just give it as still a rebound in the overall structure. All right, let's get to Nvidia. So Nvidia just doing fine, guys, just doing fine. Its overall structure is bullish, nothing to fear. Let's get to the hourly interval, right? And well, as I said in the morning as well, any pullback until any of these level, like significant level 133 and 84 cents, just going to be a pullback only. We got a pullback there, bounced back right up, and we are still technically in the bullish structure. As long as we stay still tomorrow above 133 and 84 cents, we are just fine. If we lose 133 and 84 cents, some near-term weakness is possible, but that will be just intraday weakness. It's not going to make Nvidia bearish on the overall structure. That will just be a pullback if that happens on the overall structure. And definitely if we break out above 136, it opens up the door at least near term to 138 and 76 cents. We are just fine, just bullish. I don't know how else to explain it. We are just bullish, guys. Look at this beautiful move. Higher low, took out the resistance area. And we slowed down at 132. That's why that blue box is there, because it's the weekly level importance. And that's what I said. It will react here. We are seeing a reaction, but the structure stayed bullish through the reaction. And that's what we are seeing. Okay, what the reaction telling us. And today, it's just, let's go to the moon again. So things are just bullish, guys, still on Nvidia. And I'm not too worried on this thing. AMD, oh, this thing, guys, this thing is just, it's trying its best. But okay, in the morning it was green in the structure when I showed you. Unfortunately, guys, it's red. It's red the way the time it has closed. So no, the confirmation disappeared. Well, I say disappeared, I mean by the time day closed, confirmation didn't last. The confirmation, we had to see the day close for that strength to confirm, and unfortunately right now, no. But does it mean we're gonna go down more? Well, we'll have to go to the hourly interval for that. So technically we are still able to hold a trend on this, sorta, okay, it's sorta reference line. We are still able to somehow hold higher lows, all right, and higher highs. Somehow we are still able to hold it. The only thing is that we need to get above 112 and 80 cents technically, that area, and close above it. Also, we gotta, if we close above 200 hours moving average, that's the best extra confirmation. All right. Until then, well, tomorrow, guys, if we lose this trend line and we lose 110 and 90 cents, not gonna be good, okay? At this point, though, I want to see it above 112 and 80 cents with 200 hours moving average. That's what I want to see to get into the next bullish structure. Otherwise, it's going to hit his head against the ceiling here. And anytime if we lose level at the same time below with the trend line, then problems may continue. There's intraday still some strength, but overall structure is not fully confirmed strengthful. So that's the thing. Technically, things are overall not bullish right now. Okay. SMCI, guys, SMCI. I told you the level I gave you. Well, my tools gave me that level. My tools marks all these things automatically for it. Check out the links in the description of this video if you need those, right? Okay, so 37 and 29 cents, as I mentioned that, until then we are just fine. Precisely right over there, we did a pullback and got bought back up. Now let's get to the hourly interval. Well, yes, we are bullish and also intraday bullish. Tomorrow, as if we can stay above $40.51, we are just fine. Until then, if any pullback happens and you see a stabilization of structure at $40.51, until then, in other words, we are just bullish. Above this, we should just look for the bullish plays, okay? That's my take on SMCI. All right, let's get to ARM. ARM, no longer weak. Look for any of the pullbacks to just buy it. This thing turned around today and it took out, first of all, 157 and 80 cents structure on this has turned bullish. I can show you, well, real quickly as well on the tools, and you can see we are back again bullish. The weakness is no longer there. And let's go to the hourly interval, guys. Yes, we got a pullback, got already bought back up. Even any other pullback comes, as long as we can hold above 161 and 24 cents, you should, above 161 and 24 cents, you are better off looking just for a bullish plays on this thing. We are just fine. We are just bullish. It is looking very nice again. It looked very nice above 157 and 73 cents area. We are just fine, guys. We are just fine. As I said, look at that level that I just gave you on the hourly interval. You can rewind the video, go and see that what that level I gave you. And we are just bullish. We are just fine. Micron, let it load. Let this load. All right. So Micron is gaining strength back again. All right. Let's put it that way for now. I want to see it above this level of 96 and 65 cents. That's the next run up. Intraday, until then, is what I have been saying, and I said you guys yesterday as well, in the morning as well, we can find a rebound at this level, 91 and 61 cents. We got that. The next leg is, guys, I want to see it above 96 and 59 cents. Then only I will move from intraday to swing. Otherwise, no, I'm not moving. Okay. And also, any pullback at least until this zone of 93.65 cents to 90.25 cents. Above this, as long as we hold above it, you should look for bullish plays only. Okay, that's the thing. Below that, weakness again, and you want to leave it alone actually. All right, so that's Intel. Oh, sorry, Micron. Let's get to Intel. Intel is the outshining one, guys. It's like Intel says, "Who's Nvidia? Nvidia got nothing on me," is what Intel is yapping right now to Nvidia. All right, Intel is like, Nvidia, I'm coming after you. All right, I'm coming for your spot. I'm gonna dethrone you, is what Intel is saying right now. Look at this move, guys. Look at this beautiful move. As I have been saying, members, under the stocks coverage that I do, 45, oh well, not only 45 now, guys. From today it's 50 plus stocks coverage. Yes, and I take into consideration if your stocks are not in that list and you are one of the members of longer term membership with me, just send me your stocks, guys. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about those as well. So you have options. Well, when I say options, you have choices. Sometimes when I say options during the trading times, it comes as like, oh, options trading. No, I'm saying choices, okay? But yeah, options we talk about here on the public channel, right? There's some videos I do on the options analysis as well. Anyways, but I just want to separate the context here. It's like when I say options here, when I show you the screen, I mean choices. Okay, all right. Okay, Intel, yes, guys, we're just bullish at this point. Any even like 22.40 cents is just also a pullback bullish support. It's just doing fine. It's been fine. Okay, good money has been already made. Keep taking partial profits, especially at 200 days moving average. You should take some partial profits here. And things are looking just awesome on this thing. Let's get to the hourly interval. What can we be watching as for the levels? And on this thing, guys, yeah, well, you can use 20 hours moving average with also this zone of like 23.80 cents. Intraday above this, we will remain bullish. And even if we do pullback, that will only be an intraday cool off until 22 and 40 cents area. As I said, we are just overall just bullish in the bullish structure. Keep taking partial profits in the extensions. Again, I don't know, how much Intel has in the tank here. So, but Intel has told Nvidia, I'm gonna dethrone you. I'm coming for you. So, I overheard it. I was just walking down the corridor and I heard Intel and Nvidia talking. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right. So, all right. That's Intel. And what else we have? Well, Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500. Guys, as I said in the morning as well, we are just fine. We are just bullish. Nasdaq 100 looks like it's like, hey, guys, I'm going to go to all-time highs. You can't stop me. And guys, we are just bullish. At this point, well, yeah, any level, even significant level above, as long as we're above 527.86 cents, we are just bullish. S&P 500 is like, okay, no one can stop me. I'm unstoppable, going through the roof, gonna break the ceilings, make building taller for me. I need more rooms up on the top floors. Keep building it up. And it's going higher, guys. It's just bullish. I mean, I'm not worried. I'm gonna still, though 600 is still the, until then we are just fine. Yeah, it's just very bullish, right? Okay. That's all I have for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, check out the details and the links in the description of this video. If you're interested to check out trading tools and the extra stocks, bonus stocks coverage. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.